welcome back to our Sienna. Okay, so what we're making today
is Salvi's
Ragu.
Ragu.
Okay, so Salvi's Ragu. We don't call Bolognese because I'm from Naples, so we can't call things Bolognese. So we in Neapolitan is Ragu. Okay, so it's like all different meats.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got steak, we got sausage, we got everything.
What we're going to do today is we had some nduja, because I know everybody likes nduja and then it's very in at the moment. So instead to put chili on, it's not something we use on our ragu. So we're going to put some nduja. It's still like kind of meat, but it's spicy. Yeah. Okay, and then the additional today, okay, that's what we do every time we make in Salvi's. Okay, we put a little taleggio in.
Which is a very strong Italian cheese, which is my favourite on bread.
So you give that, it's smelly, so you give that nice taste as well. We're going to use onion, carrots and celery, okay, to fry it up, okay. We do the sofritto first, and then we're going to, the meat we use is Italian sausages, pancetta, steak and nduja with nice cherry tomato. Okay, we got some bread there. What we're going to make, we already toasted, we're going to make some bread with nduja, and then, while you wait, you can try that as well. Okay? So, hot and pepper, of course. Yeah? So, first thing we do, we got to put the pasta in. Today we use a paccheri pasta. This one takes a little bit longer. So we're going to put the pasta in. Okay, little olive oil.
I've got the olive oil.
I'll use this one because
Do you want to just tell us again what we're making, Sienna?
Yeah, so we're making Salvi's Ragu, and the reason why we call it Salvi's Ragu is because it's got our taleggio in and our nduja instead of chili.
Okay.
Okay, so in there we've got our olive oil in our frying pan, and in that we're going to grate all our vegetables in the onion, celery and a quarter of a carrot.
Okay.
So this is
If you can see people, because people when it smells meat, it goes mental. So.
So what are you doing now, Sienna?
Trying to grate the celery.
It doesn't need to be. We don't want thick. We don't want to. What's it called? We don't want to test that. Okay, it's got to be melted.
I don't like celery either, but in dishes I do.
Yeah. But that's why. That's why. It's you won't see it.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Grate the carrots.
Thank you. So we've just peeled a quarter of the carrot, so obviously we're not wasting the whole carrot. So it's really slippery now.
So you've grated celery, carrots.
Celery, carrot, and then we're going to actually grate our onion instead of chopping it.
Okay, while Sienna do that, okay, I've got 3 meat here. I've got Italian sausages. I'm going to take the skin off. Okay.
So what makes them Italian sausages?
The way they're cooked, they're bigger. They're not small like the English sausages. If you haven't got Italian one,
fennel as well.
Yeah, you can use that one. Steak, any kind of steak. It could be fillet, it could be sirloin, it could be, room steak, whatever you want.
Just steak.
Okay, just chop it very fine. We don't want a big chunk of meat in there. It's like, you're making maybe 6 at time, so it's got to be that fine. To be honest, if you want to make things easy for you, you can use mincemeat. So, yeah.
Okay, so in here now, our oil is already starting to fry the celery and carrot, but last of all, we've got to add our onion. So you're just gonna, not too much onion because you don't want it too strong, but similar amount to it's got to be even. And it's very hard to do now because we've had all the wet.
Yeah. Go on the side.
There we go.
Okay. So is there anybody on today? We can't see
Yeah,
anyone.
lots of people.
Oh, right, good. Hopefully everybody watched those on TV. That was very good,
That was
wasn't
very
it?
good, yeah.
We loved every minute. So we got the 2.5 minutes of fame for one. No, it's been good. So, okay, so that's my meat. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to slice the pancetta. Look how nice to see. Of course, this stuff, the pancetta, you can buy in Salvi's, and today is open till 5 o'clock today. So if you want to go down and get some ingredients to make it.
And like always, our video will be posted afterwards, and any questions, tell us in the comments and we will try and answer them as soon as we can.
So I suppose with the pancetta you can use bacon, with the steak you can use mincemeat. People can replace things.
You know, with sausages you're going to use a pork. You know, maybe check what you got in your fridge. Even if you got some salami hold or parma ham or whatever, chop it up, okay, put it in, and then cook it that way.
Okay, so in here now we've got all our 3 vegetables, onion, celery and carrot. We've got our olive oil and that we're just going to let that cook, and it's on 160, so about medium heat.
Start to put this in.
So now we're adding all our meat in. But you can use any meat, it doesn't have to be steak, it can be...
And then look at the sausages, I just took the skin off. Okay, we're just going to open up like this now. We're going to shred it in there, okay? That's it. A little bit more pancetta in.
So in there you've got, tell us, Sienna.
So in here, again, we've got our olive oil, onion, carrot, celery, our steak, pancetta and our sausage. This is meant to cook for at least 2 hours. It's obviously better if it cooks for 2 hours, but if obviously we've not got the time to wait here 2 hours, it doesn't matter. So the longer you let it cook, the nicer it'll be.
Perfect. Cook our masses. Okay, so we're going to add some black pepper now.
So 4 pinches.
So the smell, because you know when you mix all the meat, the smell is so nice.
Really nice.
It won't be nice for the vegetarian, but
you can always make it vegetarian instead of...
Yeah, you can use...
Yeah.
Maybe make pasta normal.
It wouldn't be Ragu, but...
Just tell us what you're doing there, Maurizio, because everybody's talking about Nduja at the moment.
Okay, Nduja, he's gone from nobody knows what he was to all over the world now. So if I'm right, he's become DOP as well. So he only can come from Calabria. The original one.
So what is it? A spicy?
It's a spicy sausage. Okay, can you see? It's not hard. It's very very soft.
And it's very strong, so you don't want to add too much of it.
But it's not. You know, it doesn't give it that chili kick like say you eat curry and then it's like whoa. This one is a little bit more sweet. So okay, that's it. I won't put much in there. Okay.
And this gives the meat a colour as well.
Yeah, it's gonna dissolve in there, so use a big spoon.
I always use a big spoon, but now I've started to use a small spoon. I can use a big one.
Get all the big spoon. Okay, pasta.
So you're using packery?
You can use a packet, yeah, that's what we're using today, but if you haven't got a packet, of course you can use, you know, whatever you like.
So you're just going to let that boil as it says in the packet, but obviously always try it before you do let it in the dish.
Yeah, so I'm going to put a little bit more Nduja. Oh, because I want, you know what is nice as well? To spread this one on bread. Okay, so it's like you want to make a bruschetta. We already toasted the bread before.
So olive oil?
Just olive oil, yeah, just to give, of course, olive oil, we love olive oil. And then we just spread it like this. Okay, if you like chili, I think this one is, I don't know, that's the alternative of maybe just have, you know, chili. You can eat chili all the time anyway. But this way is very, very nice.
I won't be eating that because I don't like spicy stuff.
No.
So what are you making today, Sienna?
Sorry?
We're making Salvi's Ragu, and the reason why it's Salvi's Ragu is because it's got Nduja instead of chili and taleggio, which is a strong Italian cheese.
Perfect. Okay, so well, we done a little bruschetta. That was very easy to do it. Okay. Sorry, Sienna, you got to put some tomato in now.
Okay. So this is just 1 tin of cherry tomatoes, and you're just gonna let that. It smells really good.
I'm gonna have some basil. We love our basil in tomato sauce.
Peppo's very excited.
Yeah.
It's a perfect dish for today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Exactly. So that's all good now. Okay, perfect. So what we got here, Sienna?
So again, we have got Salvi's Ragu.
I know what we got.
No, we have got Salvi's Ragu.
I will switch beyond that, yeah? Perfect. Pasta is almost ready. So who's on today? Do we know?
Lots of people.
Has anybody been cooking with those? Anybody tried some of our dish? I know you're waiting for us to reopen, but not yet.
Hopefully soon.
Hopefully, yeah. Give me that spoon.
We've not actually got our chef whites on today either. I've got Salvi. We did this in lockdown and we put bleach on it and we tie-dyed it. And it's just a Salvi t-shirt that we had for ages.
It's good, isn't it? It looks nice.
You were meant to be wearing one, but I don't know when that's gone.
It's gone too small. It's not gone anywhere. Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to leave.
Tell us what you've got in there again, Maurizio.
Okay. We got some Italian sausages, we got some pancetta, we got some steak, we got some nduja. Okay, carrots, celery and onion. Okay, we don't do soffritto and we put that one in. Okay, before the end we're gonna put some taleggio. Okay, to stick everything together. But I will like you. I'm sure somebody tried in the restaurant.
Yeah. I've got to say, I don't think I've ever tried it in the restaurant.
You never tried it?
No.
No.
And Andrea said she made your meatballs on Thursday and they were really good.
Oh, very nice.
And Shelley made your seafood stew last week.
Perfect. Even better. Where is my invited anyway? Huh? Okay, while you wait for that, at the same time we made some nice bruschetta with nduja. Okay?
Very simple and very tasty.
Exactly.
So the taleggio, what's taleggio, Maurizio? What is that?
It's an Italian cheese, it's smelly cheese.
But it's not blue cheese,
No, it's not blue cheese.
which is why I like it.
Could you use anything else?
To be honest, you can do without. What can you use in there? Be parmesan, okay? Soft cheese, because what we want with this, we want to melt it. You won't see this one.
Okay.
Okay?
But you could even put this on the bread. So this is when like you could make actual bruschetta. So you get your bread like we've just done, you put a bit of olive oil on, and then you get your taleggio and you put it in the pan with just a bit of olive oil, maybe even before you put all your vegetables in it. Let it fry, all the cheese will melt, and then put some balsamic glaze on top, and it tastes amazing. Like amazing.
Very nice.
What are you going to make next, Sienna?
I don't know.
I think a lot of people have been asking about the carbonara, haven't they?
We'll make carbonara because we definitely did make it in lockdown, but it was very fun. I think that was one of our first lockdown videos as well, so we'll do it again and we'll do it a bit better.
And what's the
this time.
secret to carbonara?
No cream. Please don't put cream in it.
Okay, I'll show you something while you wait for the pasta. So in Italy on Sunday, that's what our mums make. So we wake up in the morning, yeah, and the first thing we smell is tomato sauce. We don't smell the coffee or the croissant or tomato sauce will have been cooked since 7 o'clock. So we wake up, now we got this French baguette, our bread is a bit more hard. So what we do, we take the back of the bread, we take the middle of it out, and then without our mum seeing us, we go in the kitchen, or we're in the kitchen, and then we put the tomato in. Okay? And then this one, then we eat it like this. So this one is our breakfast. When
So
we wake
instead
up
of
in the
having
morning.
espresso, you have tomato in bread.
Exactly. Because it's so nice. And that's what we do. Here.
Thank you.
You know what they call this?
No,
Who puts the deal?
I'm not American.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, I think the pasta should be ready now.
It tastes really good.
It does, doesn't it?
So you've added some water from the pasta.
Yeah. We've got to add a little bit more salt. How's the taste is nice?
Amazing.
Anything missing?
Salt, but you've already just added it.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add the taleggio now. Okay, let me try the pasta. Let's see if the pasta's ready now.
Pippo's just staring at me. Pasta's okay?
Pasta's perfect. Okay, let's do this. Okay, just set it down.
You're stirring your taleggio.
You can see all how it goes a lot lighter as well because of this taleggio, so it makes it a bit more creamy.
Yeah.
You've got a lot of unusual tastes in here as well because obviously andouille, spicy, you wouldn't think to put it in pasta. And then obviously smelly cheese, you wouldn't think it against plain pasta. But it's just about experimenting.
Okay, we have the pasta in there now.
I don't know how to flip it.
I don't really want to get dirty, but let's see.
Oop.
Okay.
Somebody's asking what you call it when you put the sauce in the baguette. It's
you know, our bread is hard, so it doesn't get soft straight away. You know, there's not the hard bread. Okay, but it's become street food now. So people do that with salsicce friarielli, with tomato sauce, with meatballs. I think everything is bread or fried. In Naples, we love it.
Everything is bread or fried.
You know, you can't go wrong with that.
So you put the pasta in the sauce.
Yes. So now everything gets together. Look. The smell is so nice. And then guess what we're gonna have for lunch? What time is it now? Almost there. Okay. Perfect. Okay, what we're gonna do now? Okay, a plate. Should we plate it, Sienna?
Yep.
Okay, you wanna try before we plate it?
I've just tried the sauce, so I think it's okay. It's perfect spiciness as well.
If you can, make this dish at home because it's very, very, very nice.
Very easy as well, we've just done it really quickly.
Of course, if you're not vegetarian anyway. Okay, so let's go.
And then also comment if you want us to make any vegetarian dishes or any dishes that we have made previously vegetarian for you. So you know.
I think we're gonna make next time pasta norma. I don't think we did it yet. You know, with aubergine.
Oh yeah.
Smells mozzarella.
Smoked mozzarella, yeah. Or caciocavallo. Solid scamot. Okay, get some. Let's go. Some basil ready.
Yep.
Need to be still off. That was smart. Okay, look at this. Little olive oil. Okay, what you can do? If you got some duja. Some duja on top. Okay, of course you can add some parmesan if you like. Perfect.
I'm just gonna go down in the middle.
Okay, so that's what we made today.
That is your Salvi's Ragu.
Ragu, yeah, with taleggio, nduja. So we made a little bit more spicy.
A little bit more.
We made nduja bruschetta.
Yep. Which I want to try, but I don't think I'm
We're
going
gonna
to
try a little bit. And that's it. So, you know, everybody's well is at home.
Yep.
Follow us all the time.
Yep.
If you need anything, let us know. But try this dish because
It's the best.
it's very, very nice. So, thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.